dog say? Hey, what does the cow say?
What does a cow say?
August, what does that cow say right here? Hey, what does that cow say?
Hey, Nosy.
What does that cow say? Say
Good job. What does a ducky say? What does a ducky say? Yeah, quack, quack, quack.
What does the dog say?
Good job.
What does the kitty cat say? Does it say meow?
Yeah. Meow. Oh.
What does the truck say?
What does your truck say on your arms? What does that say? No? Oh.
Is that what the owl says? The owl?
What does a ducky say? Good job. What does a piggy say? Good job.
What does a horse say?
What does a horsey say? Nee.
I'm not sure.
You don't know what the horsey says? Oh. Is that what the cow says? What does the cow say? Oh. What's down there?
What does a car sound like?
What kind of noise does a car make? Good job.
What does a motorcycle?
Are you dancing?
What does a motorcycle sound like?
Potato, 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 potato. Are you dancing? You dance? Are you nosy? Where's your nose? August.
Where's your nose?
Where's your nose? Good job. Where are your eyes? Good job. Where's your ear? Where's your ear? You gonna show me on Daddy? Where's Daddy's ear? That's his hat. That was silly. Yeah, hi. Can you say hi? You say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right? You say bye-bye. Okay, I'm not sure what we're doing right now. We'll say bye-bye. Right? Oh, you want to go night-night?
August, are you
You
tired?
tired?
Are you tired?
Yeah, you tired? Yeah. All right.